Imagine earning money while you sleep, thanks to assets you created or invested in years ago. Today, we're diving deep into how to get royalty income, a powerful strategy for generating passive income and building long-term wealth. Step 1. Leverage your creative genius. If you're a writer, consider publishing a book. Every time someone buys your book, you earn a royalty. Similarly, if you create music, you can earn royalties from streams on platforms like Spotify and Apple Music, or through licensing for movies and commercials. Step 2. License your intellectual property. This could be anything from a unique invention or a catchy slogan to a photograph or software code. By licensing it out, you grant others the right to use your creation in exchange for ongoing payments. Step 3. Explore royalty-based investments. You can invest in funds or companies that hold rights to royalties from various sources like music catalogs, film libraries, or even oil and gas reserves. The beauty of royalty income lies in its potential for long-term earnings with minimal active effort after the initial creation or investment. By exploring these avenues, you can diversify your income streams and significantly increase your financial freedom. Subscribe for more insights on mastering passive income.